Welcome to the Fill, your brand new state-of-the-art packing machine. First of all, you will need to open the box by slicing the sellotape. Now take the fill machine and place it upside down on a smooth surface, ensuring that the flaps are on the outside of the box. Remove the box from the machine by lifting upwards carefully. Open the box containing the trolley stand and the hopper box, then take both of these out. Empty the contents of the square box, which should include a top hopper, funnel and clear plastic bag with the foot pedal and power cable inside. Attach the funnel to the machine, ensuring the lip of the funnel is on the outside, then use the clips to secure it in place. Now take the trolley stand and place on the base of the machine and detach using the 4 clips. You can now move the machine into the upright position using the trolley stand. Remove the 4 transit bolts painted red using the spanner and Allen key provided. The transit bolts are located underneath the machine. Remove the plastic wrap from the outside of the machine. Attach the top of the machine to the hopper using the button screws provided to you, ensuring that the gate on the hopper is facing towards the plastic viewing window. Now visually check the internals to ensure all ports are connected to the computer and the power outlet. Attach the lid back onto the machine with the plastic viewing window closest to the front of the machine, securing it with the 4 clips. Now switch the machine on at the side in preparation for calibrating your machine. The calibration instructions for your machine can be found on page 7 of your user manual. Once your machine is calibrated, use the plus and minus buttons on the control panel to control the weight you want the machine to weigh out to. Now load your ingredients into the top hopper of the machine. When you are ready, press the start button on your machine and your ingredients will start to weigh out. If the machine overweighs or underweighs, then use the gate on the top hopper to adjust the flow of your ingredients.